Hi, Namaste, Sasriyakal, Adab. It is just close to iftar time and we are seeing an unexpected rain just before the start of summer. Everyone are putting their hands out and just enjoying the climate. It is very rare to see rain in the Middle East, in Dubai. But we are lucky enough to get some. And yo, rain. Oh, the outside temperature is awesome. I will close the windows or else there is a lot of disturbance. Normally only there will be a lot of disturbance if you are not using the mic. There we go. This is one of the famous buildings and we have the Lake Chakola towards our right. The climate is too good. We can't wait to go to the beach and have some chairs on the beach with the gang and just relax. It is just drizzling though. It's just the drizzle. But we must be lucky enough to see the rain, in fact. As you all know, Ramadan is going on. All these lights are for that. Ramadan Kareem, wherever you are, and have a safe drive and a safe climate is too good. Look at the clouds. Yo man, move it. We are just discontinuing the video as the rain also is stopped. I think the drizzling stopped. I must not say that as rain. The drizzling also stopped. So we'll just discontinue, and thanks for subscribing. I know it has been a very long time that I haven't posted anything online. But soon, nevertheless, we will keep on pouring some videos. And like always, thanks for your support and the love. Stay safe wherever you are, guys.